started it now. Okay, I'm attempting to do the webcam thing. I don't know if it's working or not.
Who knows?
Oh, look. I got you, and there would be me. Okay, it works.
I don't care.
I was a hand for a minute. That was funny. It is, because my hair keeps getting in it.
Use the hairy nose.
I do not. What are you on? There's a shirtless guy and then there's a guy stuffing his face with chicken or something.
That's his dog.
Oh, he's eating his dog!
Jeez, it's just a person, God.
He's eating his dog. I
So?
don't have my glasses on, I can't see shit. Except down your shirt there.
I'm not supposed to read it or see it.
Well, I can't read it, so don't worry.
Good.
I can't see good enough to read it. We need music on. I'm trying to see. Oh, I know what song to do. Turn on your mic thingy. No, okay. Don't be sorry. Devour. Oh, you already knew. You. Spell it. Devour. I hope I'm getting both of us on this. Pick the lyric-y one. I might have to put on my glasses. Turn it up.
It is up.
Up.
It is up. Wow. Your hair. Is it on me?
I don't know. Yeah, it should be.
Oh, it just looks straight, so I'm like.
Yeah, no, your computer's tilted. Okay, yeah, I got you. I'm sorry, I scared you.
Someone.
They're fine. They wouldn't be home yet.
Hold on.
Holding on. Oh wait, that didn't mean the video stopped. Okay.
No, it didn't.
I have a flyleaf shirt on. Oh crap, I didn't hit it, did I? No, I didn't. Okay, sorry. They saw our floor for a second. Wasn't our floor pretty?
Okay.
I gotta make sure I'm getting us again. Okay. It's Shine Down Devour! Oh, I know that part.
I don't know the words.
Devour, suffocation.
Wait.
That's not going. It's a car in the road. There's a car in our road. It's in the road. It's like in the cement. What?
Trust the dog.
That's true. You can only trust them when a cat or a leaf is blowing by. Or if there's snow out because they whined every 2 minutes because they went out to play.
Okay, start it.
I'm starting it over. Ah, they knocked the thing on me.
Start all over.
Yes, I'm starting it all over. I missed my part. Why did that thing knock on me? What are you doing? Oh. I don't know if that's being shown or not.
Am I?
Where? I don't know.
I'll do it right away.
I don't think you will be. Oh, this hurts. My finger.
You said it well.
Move, Brett!
Why is it not working? years.
You want it more. Here it is. Everything.
That's not doing it.
What?
That's doing it.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
Oh my God!
What?
Pausing devour. Or not. Fine, I'll just rewind it. OTEP is on TV.
Angel, make sure the time.
It's on 6.
Oh.
It's diving down? I thought it was timing it. Well, now I feel stupid.
Lyrics could be wrong.
True. Ow! I don't even know if I'm getting you. Oh! 3 big humongo doggies. Aww.
Sorry. It's a hurricane.
Aww. The poor little baby. Don't look like a foreign soul. Ow. Ow. Dog bite.
What? Hey, chill.
I'm pausing OTEP. Oh, good. Okay, the song's over. OTEP! Oops, I don't even know. Wait a minute. I'm rewinding. I love this song. I used to have it.
Alright, can you just do a different one?
Okay, hang on. I used to have this on my MySpace thing. It's Rapper Don't Resist. Okay. I hit play, stupid thing. Play. 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 Oh my God. Play. Hold this. Woo! Woo! Oh, look at the doggies. Tick-tock. Look at the doggy. Oh, the baby. Aw. Look at the Goldie. Goldie. Come here. Oh, the baby. Oh. Hey, just going on 9 minutes, so I'm going to stop it. Peace out.